Looking good, Mr. Kapoor.
As always.
Sure. It's
In-
debatable. Let's get you closer to fans today. All right. Have you ever walked in on someone saying something nice about you or saying something mean about you?
I mean, it has been a few years, Tanmay, since somebody said anything nice about me when I walked in.
Arjun doesn't require me to roast him anymore. Fantastic.
But in all honesty, it's always nice to hear people talking nice things about you. I wouldn't mind in times like this to be motivated and encouraged that I should be back on the sets.
Maybe we'll get some of that today. All right. We're talking to some of Arjun Kapoor's biggest fans and see what lovely things they have to say about you, and what maybe the odd chance of them saying something mean. Hi Rishabh. Hi.
How are you?
Hi Shruti. How are you? First, I want to tell me 3 things that you love about him.
So what I really like is his persona, especially when he's on screen with Ranveer. I have to say, the kind of chemistry that they both have, it's much better than a lot of couples on screen.
Rishabh, what do you think?
Is his choice of films, from Finding Fanny to Ishaq Zadeh to Two States. I love his choices of films, especially Finding Fanny. When I saw Finding Fanny, I became his fan. I love his performance in Finding Fanny.
Why did you watch it like 50, 60 times with all your friends?
I didn't. No, not 50 times. I was.
Would have helped the box
I
office.
wouldn't want to watch it.
Yeah.
Neeti, I want you to tell me what do you find sexy about Arjun?
I would have said like his body and all, but now he has gained weight. Like in Ishaq Zadeh and Two States, his
So
physique
what if
was
he's
very
gained
good.
weight? Excuse me.
But now I can't
Stop that.
say like his body, like
God. Okay, now tell me an honest thing about what do you guys not like about Arjun? Like if there's one thing that you'd be like, this should change about Arjun.
even improve his acting skills in some, like
Yeah.
in some films, like Half Girlfriend.
Half girlfriend.
I
okay.
agree with Neeti. I agree with you.
I just wanted him to
Like not interested. I don't know. It feels like.
What do you think, Anirudh? What do you think?
Actually, I don't know how to explain.
Oh my
how-
god!
Oh my god! I think I just blew everyone's ears away. Shit! Oh my god!
Shit!
Yeah.
I just want to point out, Neeti,
Okay,
you took.
Tanmay, this is not fair. Tanmay, this is not fair.
Since you think my body is not sexy, I have
Sorry.
Well played, Mr. Kapoor. Well played.
I completely agree, Neeti. I completely agree with all 3 of you, and I appreciate the honesty. I think if you're a true fan, you should be honest.
What a nice thing to say. Lovely.
Finding Fanny is a hit because of you alone, Rishabh. काश तेरे जैसे और लोग होते.
Yeah.
Seems like a very genuine person, someone you can just sit and chat with. And also, after the roast, we know that he's good at taking jokes. So, yeah.
Inder, what do you think?
I just love his movie, especially Gunde. I mean,
Gunde.
even they roast it, and like a lot of people don't like it, but I love it. I can watch it any day.
Aarti, tell me, would it be accurate to say you have a crush on Arjun Kapoor?
No, but I feel like then I started
But
looking
why don't
into
you have a
him.
crush on me? Why don't you have a crush on me?
Yeah, Arjun.
Why don't you have a crush on me? I mean, I removed half my buttons and I was sitting ready and all. Now I'm like,
Aarti, what the hell, man?
I'm sorry.
I thought you were
I'm
super
sorry.
fans.
I like you. I
I
like
kind
you.
of saw that coming.
I'm very upset. And I love that Inder said he likes Gunde. And the fact that Swati likes me for taking a joke. But this is not a joke that I'm going to take.
Thank you guys. Thank you for participating.
Bye,
See you,
guys.
Inder. Sanyam, कैसा है दोस्त?
बढ़िया सर आप बताइए
एकदम मस्त. Lavanya, how's it going? Srishti Bhatts. Hello.
Hi. I like his attitude actually.
Attitude.
The way he talks, yeah. हमारे जैसा लगता है.
He's pretty chilled out.
Yeah, he's a chilled out dude.
Sanyam, what do you like about him? You like his beard, is it?
सर एक्चुअली या डेफिनेटली
What do you like about his beard?
I was inspired.
I really like his
Actually,
eyebrows.
sir.
I mean, they're perfect.
You like his eyebrows?
They are perfect in Bollywood. He has the best eyebrows.
He has the best eyebrows in
And
Bollywood.
seriously, and
That's a
hair
weird thing to
also.
notice.
And hair also.
There'll be some things that you don't like. Some things that you're like, ये सही नहीं है.
Panipat.
Panipat.
Yes, actually, he was. I mean,
What
he
is the
was
issue with
wearing-
Panipat?
No, he was wearing cap for one
What is
year.
your issue? What is the issue with Panipat?
Oh my God, he's there.
Hi, Arjun.
मेरे eyebrows
no.
पसंद है लेकिन पानीपत पसंद नहीं है आप लोगों
नहीं,
को। मेरी
Arjun,
दाढ़ी
अरे,
पसंद
अर्जुन
है,
सर,
मेरे
एक
बाल
साल तुम्हें
पसंद है।
टोपी.
Thank you to the other Bhatts except Tanmay
Don't
Bhatt.
thank me. Thank you for inspiring me.
Chalo, dosto, guys, we got another call. All right, thank you very much. So we're talking to fans of Arjun about Arjun. All right. So what I wanted from you guys. All right, बहुत fans आके बहुत gush करके चले गए. Oh, we love him, we love this, we love that. I want you guys to tell me what do you think. I want to know what do you think Arjun can change. कोई चीजें आपको पसंद नहीं आई है, कोई फिल्में पसंद नहीं आई हैं.
More like work on his dancing skills.
His dancing skills,
Like,
no? Even I agree. It's not good.
I'm just thinking. I mean, I love Arjun Kapoor. Honestly, I admire him for the kind of work he does. And then came Panipat.
Not good,
So-
no? That movie.
At the end of the day, I know how hard it is to become an actor, but maybe he can just a little acting, like the choice of movies.
रोहित तू बता क्या पसंद नहीं है? रोहित तू बता.
ऐसा कुछ खास तो है नहीं सर, मैं तो इशकजादे के टाइम से फैन हूँ बाबा का। मैंने इशकजादे का टैटू भी बना रखा है।
अरे क्या बात है, ओहो
He's the fan.
आप सच्चे फैन हो
26 भी लिख रखा है। मिले भी थे हम अर्जुन से
हाँ
जयपुर में
Wow.
टोटल में।
तो अभी जयपुर में नहीं तो यहाँ पर मिल ले तू मुझसे।
Oh my God.
देखा
ये क्या था सर?
Sir, I met you in my college and now seeing you today, I was shouting from back.
Arjun, Vedanti doesn't like your dancing. Can you please
I
show?
will just start working on it now. I'll just start. I actually was practicing the floor step and my tongue step and all to impress her again. But I love the fact that eventually तूने इतना पूछा तन्मय कि what they don't like about me, but eventually ज़्यादा कुछ निकल के आया नहीं. Dancing में improve कर लूँगा, acting में improve कर लूँगा.
How is quarantine, Arjun?
Quarantine is great. I get to meet my fans and I get to interact with Tanmay. I feel like I'm back in 2017 with the roast again. And we're doing it and we're generating money for a good cause.
Hi guys.
What's up?
Hi Sana. Hi Anikriti.
Hi, Tanmay.
I want you guys to tell me what are some things that you don't like about Arjun? What do you think some things that Arjun can change? Let's begin with that.
His weight.
His weight? That's mean. Sana. Excuse me.
I mean, he's an actor.
Pulling his look off really well.
Nah?
Always has been.
You think he looks sexy now with his like
He's always looks sexy. When has Arjun Kapoor not looked sexy?
many times, but that's my privilege. It's my privilege.
I've seen most of his videos, like on his interviews, his sense of humor in Coffee with Karan, and the post and everything. I mean, I really like his sense of humor the most.
Okay, what's a movie that he should not have done?
Mubaraka.
Mubaraka. You didn't like him in that?
I didn't like Finding Fanny. I did not understand the film. I don't know if that's my fault. I did not.
But there were some fans who actually liked Finding
Oh
Fanny
my
and Mubaraka and
Oh my God.
Oh my God. Okay.
Oh my God.
Okay.
So I was here all along. I heard you guys firstly being upset about the quarantine. So I hope this makes up for some bit of it. Makes you smile and makes you happy. I appreciate all the honesty and I appreciate all the comments, whether you like things or don't like things. It's only fair. If you watch my work and you pay money to watch it, you're like, God. Opinion. Hope you guys stay indoors, stay safe, stay happy, keep smiling, and
Yes.
watch my films.
And you lost a lot of weight.
Thank you for making
Overcompensating now.
Sana, enough. We can see you, okay?
There was a fan who before this was talking about it and I'd opened my shirt to show my abs.
Well, you can show it to us and prove that I'm wrong.
Yes, please.
Sana, you
Move,
mute Sana. So Sana doesn't deserve it.
Why? I'm making this happen, Tanmay.
You missed.
Stop it, Sana.
Here goes.
Sana's not gonna stop. Can we stop seeing naked men on this, please? Thank you very much.
Thank you guys. Bye, Tanmay. Bye.
You guys. That was fun, man. Anirudh, that was very fun.
That was not too shabby. I still have a fan following contrary to what you believe.
It was my idea to do this. But thank you for joining us, Arjun.
Thank you, Tanmay. I look forward to meeting you soon once the lockdown is
See you,
done. Everybody stay indoor and stay safe.